Alright, welcome to another Pick a Card game. In today's episode, we're going to learn how to play Spider Solitaire. Spider Solitaire is a pretty fun game, but it's a big game, so you need a lot of space for it, and you need actually 2 decks of cards. I recommend getting 2 decks with different colored backs, that way at the end you can sort them out in the end. But yeah, if you have 2 decks of cards, this is a pretty fun game to play. So for the setup now, we need to deal out 10 columns of cards, each one with 5 cards in it. After you've dealt out 10 columns of cards, you need to, for the first 4, you need to add 1 extra on it. Okay, that's good. Now, put the rest of the cards aside and flip over the top cards on each. Okay, so for Spider Solitaire, there's 3 different modes. There's easy mode, medium mode, and hard mode. Today we're gonna play easy mode because I'm just getting tired of losing on stream. But I'll teach you. The rules are pretty much the same for all 3. So the rules for the game is you have this play area and you want to try to move around the cards and try to build stacks. You want to build them descending order from king to ace. When you're stacking cards, it doesn't matter what color you're placing them on top. You can place any card on top of any other card as long as the numbers are 1 below. And once you move around a card, you flip over the rest. So your goal is you want to build a stack all the way from king to ace. And once you have that, then you can clear it. There's 3 different modes of playing. The hard mode is you can only clear it if it's the same suit. The easy mode is if you can clear it any stack from king to ace. And the medium mode is they have to be the same color. When you clear one of the columns, you're allowed to put any type of card in the empty column. Once you've run out of moves, you can pick the draw pile up and you can lay out an extra row of cards from the draw pile. Your goal is to keep doing this and clearing the table until eventually you run out of cards. Yeah, right now let's get started. Let's play. Okay. Alright, okay, here we go. Now I'm gonna do it for real. 6, 5, 4, Jack 10, Jack 10. Here we go, digging the hole. 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, ace. Perfect. Dug a hole right away. Straight down. 6, 5, king, queen. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna go for this jack because I want to dig the hole. Jack, I'm gonna put this 10. 6, 5, king. Oh, over here. Oh, I didn't even flip this. King, queen. Gonna go 4 versus 1, 2. Okay, yep. Gonna go eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Here we go. Jack 10. 5, 4. 2 ace. Perfect. Got another hole. Going to put this king here. The reason why I want the holes is because then I can put any card there, so it really helps out. 3, 2, 5, 4, 2, get your ace. Okay, here we go. And then who do I put in that hole? I'm going to put a high up card, this jack. 5, 4. I think that's everything I can do. Let me just double check. Yeah, I'm committing. Analyze the board. King, queen, jack. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6, 5, 4. 3, 2, ace. Here we go. Cleared. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, ace. Oh, this one's all red. 4, 3, 8, 7, 10, 9. Okay, so I have to actually fill this gap before I can pour more cards in. I'm gonna put this king stack right here because, yeah, I feel good having the royals taking the bottom part. 3, 2, here we go. 4, ace. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh, okay, I just need king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ace. Perfect. Cleared. Okay, if only I had a 9. Okay. 4, 3, 2, ace. Maybe I could have gone the more medium mode where I had to sort them by color in order to clear them. You can only clear them if they are of the same color. That's the medium mode. Maybe I should have done that. I don't know, I just lost easy mode. Okay, let's see. 10, jack, 8. Here we go. Touched it, I gotta do 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, ace. Alright. I just need 9. Let's dig a hole. Another 6. Oh wait. King, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, there's 3 on top. 10, 9, 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, ace. Here we go. Cleared it. 4, 3. Oh, I should have taken that 3. Whoops. Okay, whatever. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Three, 2, ace. King, queen, jack. This is becoming a long stack. 8, 7, 6, 5. 4, 3, 2, ace. Here we go. King, queen, jack. 10. Okay. Who should I move? I should move this king. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Here we go. Clearing these stacks. Over here now. So we put this. Yeah, let's try to uncover these. 8, 7. Perfect. This ace. Ooh, 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh wait, no, I can't. 10, 9. Okay, 8, 7. 3, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ace. So you have to have all the gaps filled before you pour out more cards. So yeah, if you don't have enough cards at the end, then you lose. You suffer from your success. So like right here, I would love to stack more cards, but I actually legally cannot. But I have a good feeling about this game. 9, 8. 9, 8. 3, 2, ace. Okay. 7. 4, 3, 2, ace. Here we go. Okay, I have so many columns now. Okay, let's see. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I'm gonna have to break someone up. Break up you. This is gonna be a win for sure. Alright, final round. Let's do it. 5, 4. Okay, so 7, 6. 5, 4. 9, 10. Jack. Queen, king. Alright. 10, 9, 8. 3. King, queen. Jack. 10, 9, 8. 7. 6. 5, 4. 3, 2, ace. Okay, I'm very confused why there's extra cards left here. What has happened? I removed the jokers earlier. How on earth are there extra cards? This makes no sense to me. Is one of my decks missing cards? Okay, that's a mystery for me to solve another day. I need to go through and count. I'm gonna just go through and count right now. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Are they stuck in this box still? No. Are these all the same color? Okay, what the heck? Alright, I'm gonna sort them out. This is also why it's good to use different colored decks so that you can sort them out in the end. Oh my gosh. Did I mess up? It's all on camera. You can watch. Did I clear a pile that didn't have the bottom cards on it? 4, 3, 2, ace. I think I may have, but I got too excited. Well, I'm gonna call that a loss then. But it's not the worst loss. Okay, I'm bewildered how those cards got left over. I truly am. If you can go back and find the spot that I messed up, you know, hey, put it in the comments, let me know. I'm bewildered. Anyways, that's how you play Spider Solitaire. I hope you learned something. I hope you have fun with this game.